Hi everyone, welcome to my review of FiiO FH1 hybrid IEMs. FH1 came on the market quite recently and stand as a model in the middle of FiiO's hybrids. They feature one 10mm dynamic driver and one balanced armature driver, promising a good harmony between both technologies, taking the best from both worlds. The amount of accessories you will get is great. It includes twisted balanced cable, single-ended cable with remote control, which feels solid on every click and worked well with my phone. You will also get two different silicone ear tips, one set designed to enhance even more the bass if you like. The other ones I found reducing just a little bit the highs to my ears, which is great to people sensitive on treble peak. They come also with a good quality waterproof case. The overall build quality is great, and even that these are built mainly from plastic, they feel sturdy and solid. The standard MMCX connectors are gold plated as the end part of the sound tube, which is made from a brass. Overall, the styling is always a question of a personal taste, but to me they look really nice, almost like a jewelry but not too shiny, which I personally like. Now the most important thing, how do they sound? Well, I started first with these to listen to one of my favorite acoustic vocal-based songs, and what I received was a really pleasing, rich, roomy sound with warm, clean vocals and a very good soundstage, which has a slight push to the sides, but is well balanced with the depth. The imaging is also good and quite well directional. When the main vocal part of the song was ending and the drums kicked in, I was blown away with the thickness and deepness of the bass. The bass is enhanced, but well balanced with natural, almost flat sounding vocals. The highs are never harsh, actually I felt them slightly holding back a little bit to my ears. So overall the sound signature is more on the warm side, with the elevation of the bass, but still with decent resolution and clarity. These are not meant to be pure flat, reference sounding monitors. These are meant to be richer, and I found them to perform really well in every music genre. You can listen to acoustic tracks and enjoy the instrument separation and a roomy, slightly warm but natural sounding vocals. And then you can listen to rock-heavy tracks and enjoy the bass and dynamics. Everything seems somehow controlled here to provide quite interesting balance. Yes, if the bass kicks hard, it feels heavy and slightly blurs the lower mids and the sub-bass detail, as the bass is also a bit slower and softer, but the mids and highs get their attention back quickly. So my conclusion is, I think these are exceptional sounding because even that the bass is here on purpose enhanced, there is still the clear intention to an overall balance with good detail and clarity, especially considering the price. It's overall, in my opinion, a great package, and I recommend them to all who love bass and still also want clean, natural sounding vocals. Thank you for watching.